like the energy of downtown, all the people and just being here at night. It's just cool. The thing that we really liked is that there's lots of people watching, and you see people from everywhere and all different kinds of people. And I think it's great to get everybody downtown and just out, and it's great.
Well, yeah, it's been really fun. The people are really nice here.
The art installation is the everyday use of regular materials to create a moment, to create a space and time where people are stopped to recognize kind of the ethereal or the unseen.
Swedish fish? Oh my God,
What are you looking at right now?
I got some top prospects at the Jiffy Cornmeal, the sweet cake rolls, the Irish Spring Bar, because that's random.
Maybe I need to take this to put my juicy fruit on.
Lots of kids playing, and we saw the light shows and all that. It was just, it's cool.